And if it wasn't for crypto, I wouldn't have as many freedoms as I do. All right, we're all collecting those fun tickets, which is money, however you deem money. That value equals freedom. Hey guys, 24th of September. It is a good old Tuesday here in the sunny Gold Coast, having a scorcher, 32 degrees today. That's Celsius, not Fahrenheit for you international viewers. Bitcoin, we've seen it have a bit of a down move. Look at this price. We're in the 9,700 region, 9,735 to be exact. I'm actually really liking this. I'm going to go straight to the daily just quickly and show you some stuff. Quickly load this. But I'm actually really glad that we have decided to go in a direction. And down it is. Check out this, 10K. We were flat for so long in this area, petering up, down, and we decided to obviously break this trend line and come down. I'm going to leave that trend line there because we might come back and actually respect that, and we might see a steeper one come down here. We might actually see, if we have a bearish trend, okay guys, that a channel might form here. But for me on this chart, a little bit too soon, and what I'm seeing, the one I'm seeing right now is a little bit too wide and needs to respect some points that aren't on my chart. But let's go back to the monthly and check out the dynamics of Bitcoin. I know it's been a while, guys. I've been busy dealing with tax in the background. Good old Australian tax, trying to work out crypto to crypto, fiat to crypto, cashing out, buying houses. Oh, wow. What an ordeal. But good for the long term. In one of my previous videos, I did say it's all about that end game. Guys, you make money in crypto, find out what to do with it when you want to take it out. Of course, there's certainly different things to do. This isn't financial advice. This is entertainment only. Hello. But please, guys, look, money can be made, money can be lost, but please prosper. Well, that's why we're here. And currently, Bitcoin dominance, 68.4%. Let's just give it a quick little rundown before I go into a little bit more TA. Bitcoin days until halving, we've got 233. Mining, we're currently at 85.5%. So that means we've mined 17,900,000 out of that 21 million to ever be mined, leaving over 3 million. Interesting. Current price, I did touch on this already, but we're holding at 9,730. And once again, I'm glad we've had some direction. Look, for this month of September, look, we're on the 24th of September. We're printing a bit of a bearish candle here. If that holds bearish and looks like this, and we have a close without a wick at the bottom, that's showing some bearish signs, especially if we formulate a triple bottom or even break that triple bottom. There's still time. We could, of course, still suck back to that 10K zone. Market cap, we're currently at 175 billion. That was holding at around 180 the last few weeks. Of course, we go down in price. So the mining of all the Bitcoin mined times the price, harder I do to the screen, gives you that market cap. So therefore it will be lower. However, the capacity of mining is growing for all those Bitcoin. And I would like everyone to share in Bitcoin, their wealth for the future, and that's why I've got Bitcoin for everyone currently at 22.65 USD. That's of course worked out by the population of the world, which keeps growing. This brings me, before we go in deep to these charts, the Bitcoin thought-provoking statement, and this one, my friends, is a good one. Bitcoin isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-free quick scheme, and if it wasn't for crypto, I wouldn't have as many freedoms as I do. All right, we're all collecting those fun tickets, which is money, however you deem money. That value equals freedom. And that's why it's all about accumulating. And that's why I do these videos. Look, we're still in this accumulation zone. We drop more, there's more room to the upside for you to print more of those fun tickets. Let's go into these charts. I won't bother going into the weekly. I'm going to go straight to the daily, where we mark that 10K zone. But guys, look, one thing I want to point out, and I'm going to keep this a little bit short and sweet. However, I am watching this level right here. If price can come down to this level, we have some action. And this is going to be very interesting. If price can come down there and hover, if we break this, because we're going to have 1 point of a triple bottom, 2 points of that triple bottom, make a third potentially. And that's why I said at the start of this video, I'm interested in some channels that are formulating down here. I do see a bigger one, but if we see a consistent channel, and there's one inside here that I'm looking at, if we break that or hold onto that to the downside, we might be in for a little bit of a bearish show. Of course, there's support here at 9,500, and then there's another zone of support with these wicks and these candlesticks, these bodies, and far left of that. But this is going to be a bit of a zone here. This is the zone to break through. If we sniff down here, guys, get a bit of a sniff, we might do around the 8,200 level to 8,000 what we've done up here. A bit of consolidation, a bit of a resting point. Look, I wouldn't be surprised coming back in if we might find a safety zone. Look, some things have been released around the world in regards to crypto that could suck us back to that level. I like this price movement. All right. So there's some zones to the downsides that you should be looking at. Also support. We could come back for a bounce and suck back in and feel comfortable into this 10K zone. But right now, look, it's looking a little bit heavier for the next few days at the very least. Of course, could suck back in. I'm not pointing that. We all know markets can either go up, down, or sideways. Can't go backwards unless you've got a time machine. And if you've got a time machine, PM me. Let's get on it. But guys, in all seriousness, I do like the fact that we have broken in a direction. This is good. Okay. And guys, really think about that end game and what you want from this. That will start you thinking about your trading plan and what you ultimately really want. Great to be back. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you very soon.